Okay guys, welcome to the Maths Support Handbook. This is for electrical apprentices at Phase 2, and the first part I'll just show you is the contents of the book. This is Section 1, Revision of Maths Concepts, so you'll be looking at fractions and numbers. Section 2 is obviously the scientific calculator, how to manipulate formulas. Section 3, working with numbers, introduction to electrical circuits, resistance, power and energy, electromagnetic induction, capacitance, basic AC theory, and transformer calculations. By the time you're to page 93, you will have a good detail on maths for electricians. So revision of maths concepts. The idea here is I'm going to try to do maybe 10 to 12 pages per video, and hopefully you'll be able to do any maths you don't understand. Just email me saying which the page number, and I will try to do a little video and send it to you, and hopefully at some stage in the next month or so that we'll be able to get back into the classroom. Okay, so example 1, find the missing numbers. So 1 and 4 is 5, and 4 is 9, and 4 is 13, 13, 4 is 17, etc. So just figure out what the pattern is. And this one here, 1 and 1 is 2, 2 and 3 is 5, 5, 5 is 10, 10 and 7, 17, 17, and 9 is 20, 17 and 9 is 26, and so on. This one here, what I would do there basically is 1 and 2 is 3, 3 and 4 is 7, 7 would be a 6 here, so 7 and 6 is 13, and 13 and 8 is 21. So write them above just to clarify for you. Okay, sorry, this is a little thing I'm using called Epic Pen. It's not great, but it does the job. That's all I have at the moment. Next page then will be fractions. Fractions is part of a whole, as we know, half or 3/4. So we're trying to find out the 3/5 of it. What is 3/5 of 850? So 850 is the whole, and you know there's 5/5 in this particular pie. So what the idea is try to get 1/5. So it's 850 divided by 5, that's 1/5. And once you know the 1/5, you multiply it by 3, which is 170 by 3 gives you 510. So 3/5 of 850 is 510. Storage container is 5/6 full, contains 355 litres. So you know the 6 is in a pie, main litre should hold together. So if 5/6 is 355, you always try to get 1/6. 355 divided by 5 is 71. And the 6/6, the 71 by 6 gives you 426 litres. Okay, always try to get the 1 first. Adding fractions. Now this is all about if you're trying to add 2/3 plus 4/5. What you're trying to do is get a common denominator between the 3 and the 5. And if you look at all the different denominators of 3 is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, so on. And of 5 is 5, 10, 15. And you can see the two common ones is 15, the lowest. Okay, so what I would do there is this. I would get, so it's 2/3 plus 4/5. The common denominator, oh god, it's gone funny again on me. The common denominator is 15, the smallest one. Okay, I would write it out like that. So 3 into 15 goes 5 times, 5 2s is 10. See that? Plus 5 into 15 goes 3 times, 3 4s is 12. And that's equal to 10 and 12 is 22 over 15. And you can bring that down, so you know 1 is 15 over 15. What's left? 15 minus 22 is 7. So you can equal to 1 and 7 over 15. As down there. Okay, that's probably a little bit. It's the same thing. The idea is get the same the lowest common denominator. All right, wherever 3 divides into, wherever 5 divides into. Okay, and then this is the way I do it. So we move on from that. The next one is, and there are some fractions to figure out there yourselves. This is a little bit harder here. I'm not going to do it. If you don't understand this one, question 3 or question 4, send me an email and I will show you exactly how to do it through a video, okay? And try to finish all those fractions, okay? And the next day, next Monday, I will go on to ratios, okay? Thank you for listening. Bye.